This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening YouTube and signing into the account you want to change. Once signed in, click your profile icon at the top right. Next, choose Settings because Mode controls live under Appearance. This is where you tell YouTube to follow your preference. Make sure to note whether you want dark, light, or device theme, since device follows your system. Changing here affects only that signed-in profile, so choose the option that reduces eye strain or matches your workflow. Once in Appearance, click the option you prefer. Selecting dark will reduce glare at night, while light keeps a standard viewing experience. If you pick Device Theme, YouTube will match your phone or computer settings, useful if you switch contexts often. After selection, the interface updates immediately so you can confirm visually. On mobile, the path is slightly different. Open the app menu, tap Settings, then Appearance, and pick the same options to sync behavior across platforms. To finish, confirm the mode on other devices when signed into the same account. This ensures consistency. If the new mode doesn't appear, clear your browser or app cache because old resources can prevent updates. Make sure your app or browser is up to date. Outdated versions sometimes ignore appearance settings. If problems persist, sign out, restart the app or browser, then sign back in. This forces a fresh sync and usually resolves stubborn display mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.